Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan and topic would be my body. Okay, so here you can see how we have to make lesson plan. Okay, so this way we have to write our lesson plan sample or format. But before going to this video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, because on my channel you will get BA related video as well as PDF also. Okay, now let's see how to make this lesson plan. So here for name of school, class, date, subject, topic, you can see here. For previous knowledge, what we have to write is what students are already aware of. So students are already aware of many types of like body parts and sense organs like nose, eyes, ears, tongue, etc. Okay, general aim to let them know about all the parts of our body, to let them know how all body part work or function. This is basically lesson plan for class 1. Okay, so we want to teach them all about this. Okay, specific objectives you can see here. So we have to write to enable them to understand all parts of our body. Students will be able to know function of all the parts of our body. And for teaching aids, as usual, we have to write whatever teaching aids you are going to use while teaching to students. You have to mention all those points. Okay, now let's see introduction part. So first we have to ask to student what part of body is it. Then what we have to do is we have to we have to show them eyes, and we have to ask them what it is, which part of body is it. Then student will answer it is an eye. Each part of our body has different name. Can you name few? Then student will try to answer. Hand, legs, whatever they are aware of, they will try to answer. How many fingers do we have? Student will answer. We do have 5 fingers in each hand. So are you all interested to learn about all our body parts? Then student will answer, yes, we are interested. Then here you can see objectives and specification to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. Okay, now here you can see after that we have to announce our topic. We have to say today I am going to teach you topics of my body. Okay, and this is overall look you can see here. Okay, now let's just turn the page, and here you can see how we have to make the presentation part. So here I have stick a boy's picture. You can also stick like this, eyes, nose, hand, everything I have mentioned here. So we have to explain everything to students. Okay, and here you can see after explaining everything properly, we also have to ask a question related to that. How many arms do we have? Student will answer. What is use of our hands? Student will answer. How many fingers do we have in each hand? Each hand has 5 fingers. Label the part of this face. We have to show these things to students, and we have to ask them to label the part. Then student will try to answer ear and tongue and everything. They will try to answer. Here you can see my body. Here is our blackboard work. You can see here. Okay, we have to explain about all this. Eyes, ears, tongue, everything. Okay. So after explaining everything properly, we also have to use a chart or whatever teaching aid we have. We once again have to explain everything with that. So here you can say teacher explain with the help of chart, students observing chart, and for teaching aid we have to write chart. Here you can see presentation too. So here I have stick this paper and write all those parts, hands, fingers, legs, everything. So question related with that, you can see here how many toes do we have in each foot, and what is use of our legs. And here you can see answer that we expect from students. Okay, and here you can see blackboard work. Okay, so this is overall look of our lesson plan. You can see how we have to stick all these papers. Now let's turn the page and let's see rest part of presentation too. Here you can see rest part of presentation, and question number 3rd, 4th you can see here, and this is expected answer that we expect from students. And here you can see blackboard work. Here teacher shows chart, students observing chart, and for teaching it we have to write chart. Recapitulation part you can see here. Here is our 4 question. You can see And here you can see expected answer that we expect from students. Here you can see, okay. This is overall look you can see from here. Now last page is our application and evaluation part. So for that, fill in the blanks you can see. I have given here 5 fill in the blanks. 5 fill in the blanks would be enough. Do not add more than that, okay. You can see here. Now home assignment. So for perfection of their knowledge, we also have to give home assignment to students, okay. So this was my lesson plan on the topic my body. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, okay. We will meet in next video with another related topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.